In this video we are going to be analysing SOFI. So now this one was a weird one to see a lot of people talking about today. We have been requested to analyse it and there has been a lot of talk around it, even though considering there has been no news ready today and it's sitting basically around break even on the day. So interesting to see, but what are going to be these key levels if we start to then get some movement to the up or downside? So if we start pushing to the upside, our closest and key resistance is going to be 640, and if we can break that, then we're looking at 715. So these are going to be the key resistances we're paying attention to, because obviously they are the closest, and really we would expect the stock to stay within that range or kind of below that 715. But if we do start to break through there, again, you sometimes get these sudden bursts of momentum because we don't expect it to stay outside of there long. Because again, if you understand what these golden lines are, these are the first deviations. You expect 68% of the data to be within these lines. So if you break outside of here, yes, you tend to get these maybe a few days to a week of momentum, but then you tend to see it fall back below these levels. So again, always be careful when you're buying above these levels because you're buying at quite a premium. But if it did continue up and you're looking for further targets, 825 is going to be that key level, second deviation on the 6-month chart. But also again, you can kind of see it's a bit of a pivot level, so definitely be looking out for that. Probably going to be a heavy resistance, but if we can break that, then again a potential breakout is definitely there, and then we could be looking at $10 as that target, pushing on to $12, and then final levels taking us to $16.60 and a final level at $21.50. Now on the other hand, if we start to sell off again, we're still near that 52-week low. Where do we expect targets to be? So if we break that 52-week low, we do have a support at $4.60. Breaking through there would give us a target to around $2.80, then going on to $2.40. And then we do have a final level at 96 cents on the 6-month chart. Now, yes, you do have a lot of support and resistance here. Do you need to use all of them? No. All you ever need to pay attention to is basically where we are now. So we can see we're sitting at 550. We're between the 640 and the 460 supports. So all you need to do then is kind of just wait for a move to one of these levels. If you end up coming to the 640, are you playing playing it as a resistance and you're just playing it as a short? Or are you someone who wants to be more long bias? If so, then you're waiting for that break above the level, come back to retest it as a support, and then if it holds, you have a good indication that you'll probably go up to 705 or 715. On the other hand, if you're waiting for the support side of things, are you trading the bounce off this level? Because again, we'll probably get one. Or are you looking to play the break down? And if so, wait for the break of 460, come back to retest it as a resistance. And if you see it kind of just starting to fade back down, that's a good indication that it will continue down. Now, the only thing I would be more cautious of if you are trading to the downside is our closest support after that is at 280. Now, yes, in time we may push down that far, but that is still very far off, and I would be a bit cautious on whether we can actually get that, negative 38% from there. So instead, what I would probably do is at least scale out of this trade or just trail your stops. And by that I mean I would definitely be locking in profits coming into $4 and just using these key psychological levels. So $4, $3.50 and $3 as just areas to at least be locking in some profits, or at a minimum just start moving stops in anticipation of a further breakdown. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the breakdown on SOFI. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.